Good morning dear students. In previous class we studied introduction of lesson 1. Today we are going to study word meanings of lesson 1. First word meaning is downstairs. Spelling of downstairs. Downstairs. Downstairs means on a lower floor of a house. Once again I repeat, downstairs mean on a lower floor of a house. Okay. Then second word meaning is go back sleep. Spelling is go back sleep. Mean of go back sleep, fall asleep again. It means fall, ASLEEP sleep, AGAIN. Word meaning of go back sleep, fall asleep again. Third word meaning is shut. SHUT. Shut means locked. LOCKED. Locked.
Lesson 1. Lesson 1. Why Meena could not sleep. WHYY MEENA. Meena. COULD could. NOT not. SLEEP sleep. Yes, dear students. Who is she? You can see left side of this slide. Whose picture? She is a Meena. Who is she? She is a Meena. Or this chapter story about this Meena, and chapter name is Why Meena Could Not Sleep. You can see in here images also. Meena can't able to sleep, and there is one window, and outside window moon, and moon is laughing at her, means laughing at Meena. Let's see what happened in this chapter. One night Meena could not sleep. She sat up in bed and looked out of window. She could see the moon. It looked like moon was laughing at her. Don't look at me like that, moon, she said. Who said? She means Meena. She means Meena. Meena said. To whom? To moon. Don't look at me like that, moon. You don't know what really happened today. It means something happened that day because it was in the morning. That's why Meena can't able to sleep. It means something happened with Meena. She tried to go back to sleep. Again she tried to go back to sleep. But again she can't able to sleep. The clock went tick tock, tick tock. Meena thought the clock was saying, I know, I know. Actually, what happened, students? ये जो मीना है ना, मीना ये एक दिन सो नहीं पा रही थी, तो थोड़ी ही देर में उसके रूम में एक वॉच लगी हुई है, और उस वॉच से साउंड आता है टिक टॉक। मीना को ऐसा लगता है एक्चुअली में वॉच कह रही थी टिक टॉक, बट मीना को ऐसा लगा कि वॉच कह रही है आई नो। ओके, नो यू डोंट नो, मीना सेड. No, you don't know. Meena said, you were here in my room. You were here in my room. You were not in the kitchen, downstairs. मीना वॉच से कहती है कि तुम्हें नहीं पता जो तुम कह रहे हो ना कि आई नो, तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं पता, क्योंकि उस वक्त तुम मेरे रूम में थे, और जो हुआ है मेरे साथ वो तो नीचे की तरफ डाउन स्टेयर्स किचन में हुआ है। Mina's voice woke up the parrot. He lifted his head under his wings and called out. Mina thought he said, I know. You naughty parrot, see, Mina said. Said Mina, you were in grandmother's room. You don't know anything. Mina could not go back to sleep. Oh, I wish I had not done it, she said sadly. Soon there came the soft sound of 4 little feet. Kitty jumped onto the bed and kissed Mina's cheek. Yes, I do know, Kitty, Mina said. Said Mina to Kitty, yes, you do know, Kitty. She started crying softly. She wanted to see her mother. So she ran to mother's room. I am sorry, Ma. I was very naughty today. Again, Meena said to mother, Mother, I am so sorry, Ma. I was very naughty today. She said, I ate up the cake. This is a cake. This cake eaten by Meena. I ate up the cake that was on the plate. And then I shut Kitty. It is a kitty. I shut Kitty in the kitchen. This kitty, Meena, closed in the kitchen to make you think she did it. Means to make mother, Meena thought when I closed the kitty in the kitchen, so mother thought that this cake eaten by the kitty. Then mother said, I am happy you told me, Meena. Meena's mother told to Meena, I am very happy, beta, you told me. But I knew that you had eaten the cake. From starting, Meena's mother knew this cake eaten by Meena. But mother asked Meena. Meena asked to mother, how did you know it was not Kitty? Because Kitty would never leave a spoon on a plate, replied mother, smiling. I hope you understand the story. Today you just listen the story and watch the story, and tomorrow I will explain you again on Google Meet class.